Good morning, welcome to Southern Cross Go. We are back from Java. What a brilliant holiday we had. I hope you like the Surabaya videos. There'll be a few Bali videos on. Then we've got about a week of really good videos from Yogyakarta. So stay tuned for that. So we're back. We sort of had a day of rest. And we've got to get back into our life again. We've got businesses and things to do. So we are on the bike. We've got to go and pick up a bunch of dresses and that we put in to get made while we're away. They're ready, and we'll just see where the day takes us. We're going to be busy for a couple of days trying to get everything back on track. So let's get into it. Okay, so we've got to pick up 3 sackfuls. I don't know, it's probably well over 100 dresses there. So we're going to have to send 2 by Gojek. We'll take one on the bike. Alright, so we got one on. About 60, 70 dresses there. Alright. This will be enough for today. Maybe we'll pick them up tomorrow. On the way. Yeah, it's a thing with the bike, you can only pick up so many at a time. Alright, ayam betutu. Now this is ayam betutu, which is Balinese food, but this is actually a Muslim halal ayam betutu, which is very rare, so the Muslims making betutu, but this one's pretty good actually. Had it a few times. We'll just get some chicken pellets and another kilo. Alright. Alright, the pellet. Pellet? Yeah. This? 1 kilo, yeah.
What ikan? Ikan?
Yeah. Ayam di rumah. Ayam kampung.
Oh, ayam kampung. Ini ayam kampung.
Untuk telur. Buat telur.
Oh ya. 13 nggak ada?
Hah?
13.
13?
Ya.
Yeah, biasa 12. Alright.
Okay, sip.
Yep. Alright, so the old lady always charges, actually I think she's only 11,000 cheaper than the other one, but he said they're 13 when I give him 12. They just capitalise on Westerners any way they can. It really pisses me off in a way, but I'm used to it. So anyway, chicken pellets and betutu. So Yelly said it's always 12,000. We only bought some. Mercy just come down here and bought some for us 3 days ago. 12,000, but they see the Westerner, they got to whack 1,000 on. So anyway, that's life in Indonesia. Well, in Bali anyway. Oh, okay, we're back. Roti hangat. Hah? Hah? Ada kelapa ada?
Kelapa ada.
So, kelapa is coconut. Alright,
okay, thank you.
Thank you. Alright, 2,500 each. It's $1 for 4 of them. They're really good. Coconut ones are really good. Oh. Okay, so I have to go. We've thrown somebody out from next door. She was a pain in the ass or away, and she's moved out, so I've got to go in and check her room. So eat these, eat ayam betutu. Let's go check this room. Okay, roti hangat, which is short for hangat, which means warm. These are coconut ones. I see all the grated coconut inside the warm bread. So good, really good. Okay, so we just had someone move out because she's been a bloody pain in the ass the whole time she's been here. I can't believe the ceiling's just completely covered in mould, and look at the dirt. How do you get all that black shit up there? Look at that all over the whole waters. All the tiles are just, look at it here, it's just mould. It's really not good for your mould. So she's rung up early while we're on holidays and hassling her. When I'm gone, I want you to clean the bathroom, I want you to do this, fix the aircon, and make sure you move my bed, you put it all back around like this. So she's been nothing but trouble. She's been here for 2 years, nothing but trouble. So I nearly said, listen, this ain't a hotel. It's up to you to clean your own place, you know, which is his. This is permanent resident. You know? And it stinks in here, it's really mouldy. Apparently she'd cable tied all the windows up so you can't get into them. And it's never been aerated out, it's always closed. It really stinks, mouldy. Oh, look down under here, look. It's all mould, look. Under there. Eee, look at the mould under there, really. So dirty, mate. So she started asking early and we just said, oh, that's it, get out, we've had enough of you. Your rent's finished like 2 days before we got back. We said, make sure you're gone when we get back, and she's gone, which is good. And she's just moved about 3 doors up. But she's out, so I'm going to paint this whole place out. Let it air out for a couple of days. It stinks. It's going to be a lot of work in this bathroom. Look at how yellow, all the yellow, the floors are. This is grey floors. Look at the colour of it. So I'll re-epoxy it, clean it all out. Oh my God, it's just disgusting. I'll have to sponge all that off with detergent or something. There's no sugar soap here. Paint the ceiling, paint the whole thing out, do the floors, do the lot. So I'll do it slowly, it'll take me a week. Anyway, I'm glad she's gone. Anyway, got work to do. We've already got someone that wants to move in if they want, straight away, so looks like I got something to do for the next week, bit of renovation. Alright, so get the big beast out, give it a run. Haven't started it since I've been gone. Let's go and buy some paint for next door. Started up, first pop, good stuff. We did nothing all day yesterday. Today, I've got to get into it. I've got to get this room finished. It's going to take me a week. I've got to epoxy all the bathroom floors and everything, paint the whole place out, get it perfect because we've got someone ready to move in already. So here we are, anyway, at Mitra 10. One of my favourite shops. It's not too bad in here at all. So I've got the paint number because we've always used the same number paint the whole time. And get some paint made up. Here it is, new base A. Thank you. This one, it's kuning, satu-satu lima empat.
Yellow. Member pon.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's it, 1154, yep. New roller cover. I normally buy these kits, they're pretty good. Pretty cheap. The last one I got had this one. It's got 2 covers in it, a scraper, paintbrush and everything, and they're only like $8 or something. Right, so I get the ticket, go and pay, and then come and pick up the paint. So I'll just pay, scan, pay. Yeah. Yep. And then after you pay, you just take this ticket over to the desk here. Once they finish mixing the paint, you just pick it up here. Alright. Okay. Right, so it'll probably take them 5 or 10 minutes, so I'll slip outside and wait. Good shop, this got basically everything in it, especially if you want tiles, kitchen gear, all sorts of stuff. It's got a bit of everything. Pretty good hardware. Some things are a bit pricey, but you know you're going to get it here. For small hardware needs like nails and screws, nah, but anything else, it's good. Yes, as I was saying, riding in, when you go on holidays, you need a holiday when you get home. So yeah, yesterday was pretty good. I had a good relaxing day. I've just got to get into it. I've got someone ready to move into this unit. Got to epoxy all the bathroom. The bathroom's filthy. The ceiling's got to be painted. You know, the whole place, I fully renovate them every time someone moves out. Like all of our tenants have been in there 2 or 5 years or whatever, you know, so they're long term, so when someone moves out I'll make it like brand new again and paint everything out, fix everything up, and we've got someone ready to move in. So this week it's going to be busy dealing with all that sort of stuff. It's going to be a busy day today trying to get everything organised from while we're away. They're a couple of weeks away, and yeah, things can, yeah, you get behind on things, you know. Okay, all done. Got the painting. I'll probably need 2 of these, but I can only fit one under the seat of my motorbike at a time. And I forgot to bring a backpack. So I'll just get one for today and want to know when this one's finished. We're home. Lexi, hello. What are you doing, Lex? Hey, Kenzo. Poppy, hello. Ah, Poppy. Alright, we're back. Traffic hectic. Looks like it might rain. What you doing, mate? Hello. You know, Les, you jealous I'm playing with Kenzo? Good girl. Alright, so at Warung Tepisawa Joglo. Warung Joglo. Done a video on this before. Hey, bro. And we're the first ones in. It's open late, normally open at 10, but it's not open till 10:30. And this is there. It's really good in here. If you didn't see that other video, I'll give you a quick look. Pagi. Hello. It's just got everything. You can just take what you want, and they just charge you for what you get. Pagi. Alright, so it's still the Soto, and that's not out yet. But anyway, if you want a drink, you just pour it yourself, get your ice. So, tea tawar. And it's a good way, this is pick what you want, and that's about it. Yeah. Ice. That way they don't fill your cup with too much ice like most places do. You get no drink, all ice. Beautiful. Oh, so they got jamu in here as well. Alright, can I grab a plate? So you can see this place, they just got some gas cookers on the floor. And up there, 5 gas cookers. Hey bro. So you know everything's fresh. This place gets really busy, and it's family run, which is good. People think it's a big commercial kitchen, but it's not. It's just family. They've got cookers on the floor, you know. And Jawa food, and good food. This is the Soto. That's what I'm waiting for, some Soto. So if you want the real proper Warung experience, this is it. This is the way it is in Java too. It's like big smorgasbords, but you just pay for what you get. So it's the best way. That way you can just take as much as you want. They just look at it and charge you whatever. It's really cheap here, really, really cheap. Oh, that big shed over the back's already finished. I wonder what it is. And that there was just starting. Last time we were here, cost or something. Yeah, all this will be gone soon, you watch. And just bring it over here, and he knows what we got from before. We were number 1. So I'll just add this onto that and pay here, and then you go and eat. Alright, so here we got rice, salted fish, vegetables, quail eggs, and a soup. I got an egg, satay, soto, and white rice, and we got 2 drinks and 3 drinks. It was 70,000, $7, cheap. Now it's that full, it's overflowing. Put my satay, egg, and everything in there. Oh, there's still an egg in it as well, so they give you half an egg in it anyway. Oh yeah. Really good soto here. Always good food at Warung Joglo Tepisawa. And now go home, do some laundry. We've got stacks of laundry. We did it 3 times on our holidays.
2 hours later.
BC Blessing Computer. It's a big computer shop, and just got to buy a new external hard drive, SSD card one. Alright. So this is really good. I bought my laptop here too. So, alright, it's one of these external hard drives. Alexa. No, it's going to be Alexa one. I want the same one. Alright. So this shop's just basically got everything you think of any electronic. So, you name it. Do with computers and that. Yep. Alright. You can sell projectors, sell everything. But they haven't got SSD hard drive, external hard drive. Computers, got all sorts of computers and stuff. Alright, Alright, thank you. So we're going to have to search somewhere else, I suppose. But not today. I just couldn't be bothered. Maybe go just get a snack for dinner. Anyway, I'll probably wrap this video up. It's been a long day. Running around everywhere. No, first day doing something coming back from Java, so. Warung nasi campur Manado. We order this on GrabFood a lot. And we've never really been in here. Hey bro? So they got really good rice bowls, chicken and rice bowls. So.
Okay.
Alright.
Empanada.
So what do you get? Ayam waku.
Ayam wokus for you, ini.
Alright. Yellow got a nasi campur. Good food here. Alright, just going to get takeaway and go home and eat it. Got heaps of birds here, all different ones. Yeah, this one, a little peach face or something. Little parrot. Alright. Poor little thing, so cruel. So this is on Jalan Imam Bonjol. It's busy. Really busy today. It's just close to the Sopper turn off. Got our takeaway, good stuff this. And that'll be our dinner tonight. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up. Okay, so this is ayam woku. Manado food, northern Sulawesi food. It's really good. You get rice, heaps of chicken. It's just got a really good taste. They give you a big percadel, jagung, and corn. It's really good, eh? It's just got a really good taste, and they're sort of soupy. That goes all through the rice, the flavour. It's really good. So good. It's pretty spicy, but okay, that's it. Ayam woku.